stars, there's like only one Sam's Club in SoCal, and it's kind of hard to get there. You kind of have to like go down around like Compton and like very hot freeways. But I've always wondered, according to the New York Post, Costco fans, listen up. Sam's Club is better, and I'll tell you why. Costco has been widely regarded as a super saver haven, but one former member has revealed why rival Sam's Club is a cost-effective hidden gem. Kimberly Gladden Eversley from Winchester, California, claims in an essay for Insider that she jumped memberships once she learned of the Walmart spin-off's lower joining fees. Its easy-to-use app, better prices on bulk items she buys, and the thoroughly impressive selection of snacks. I've seen some stuff from Sam's Club, and I've had some at other people's homes, but it's far, right? They're always giving away like e-gift cards and incentives to join in a certain period of time, but I barely get to Costco. Better still, it's easy to snag a discount on your Sam's Club annual dues, she said, claiming that discounted pricing is offered throughout the year, unlike its competitor. And the membership also comes with affordable gas prices, more affordable than Costco. Say what? In the town where Gladden Eversley lives, her family's 8-seater minivan needs quite a bit of fuel due to its size, but the money-minding mom attested to experiencing less pain at Sam's pumps. Another thing the busy bulk buyer prizes, the ease of the scan and go option found within the Sam's Club smartphone app, allowing you to check out as you go. Quote, the first time I used the feature, I scanned and kept track of each item I put into my cart. This way, I could see how much I was spending in real time, she explained. Quote, I get excited about the opportunity to make final adjustments to what's in my cart if I'm over budget, unquote. And with adulthood comes excitement over things like toilet paper. The Allegiance switching shopper said that Sam's Members Mark store brand offers a better bang for the buck than the Kirkland signature brand at Costco. Say it isn't so. Gladden Eversley, who is part of a large family, purchases 45 rolls of thicker and softer bath tissue for just $23. Okay, girl. I see your point. The competitive pricing also goes for household staples such as garbage bags, baby wipes, disinfectant, and cereal, she said. The Gladden Eversley family is a clan of snackers, and for them, Sam's Club had a better variety of affordable options, some of which she could never find at her local Costco. Say it ain't so. Quote, for days that we like to have sweets, we grab the Oreo ice cream bars, Hostess donuts. See, this is why America has problems, right? Diabetes of food is too good. Reynaldo's rice pudding. Oh, Chobani Flip yogurt. Have you had the key lime pie? Oh, delicious. And some classic Dunkaroos, not the Dunkaroos, to ignite your childhood memories, she wrote. My goodness. The California mom isn't the only one to part ways with Costco recently either. Writer Sarah Sedgey also recently ranted about the cult favorite warehouse wholesale warehouse, claiming she wasted money bulk buying goods that would go stale on her shelves and that the large portions gave way to mindless munching. I've since let my Costco membership lapse and found that my pantry and kitchen have become better organized and less overrun with stuff. I can see that with things that are going to perish. She wrote at the time, I still find bulk buys I've never opened. Yeah. It's like when you get the 2 giant peanut butters in one, like you're not going to eat that much peanut butter. It's hard to resist the bargain, right? 2 for 1, even at the regular grocery store. But I've been tempted by Sam's Club. It's just with gas at $6 and $7 a gallon. I really, even if I did it once a month, how much stuff? What? It's just the access to it, right? I don't ever have occasion to be way down there. But I'll check to see if they've opened more, but it definitely sounds interesting, right? It has to be related to Walmart because it's called Sam's Club. Sam Walmart. Are the politics of Costco better? Are the snacks better over there at the Sam's Club? I've occasionally gotten into a Wegmans, which is an exotic supermarket in SoCal. That's Southern California for you outsiders. And it's pretty good. It's way down, way far away, almost to Long Beach. And I have to be honest, it smells weird when you drive to Long Beach. That can't be good. Halloween horrors are all around us, but so are the snacks. Are you a Sam's Club member or just Costco? Let me know in the comments.